today's I'll Try It For You item is Chef Mel pasta sauces. Chef Mel is based right here in Missouri. And the founder of Chef Mel, Melissa Maggieri, is here with me today.
Well, I grew up in an Italian family and we had plenty of pasta growing up and loved my Nonna sauce, but I never could find a sauce I liked as an adult. So I started experimenting and that's how the whole thing got started.
Well, Schnucks carries 3 of your flavors in our set. We've got sweet Sicilian, this is the original flavor.
Yes.
And then we've got sweet and zesty 3 cheese and sweet and spicy Sicilian.
It makes a great pizza sauce. We make homemade pizzas quite a bit. It's a great dipping sauce for toasted raviolis.
I like this one. It's a little hint of sweetness, but not too sweet. Let's move on to the cheese.
You really don't have to do anything unless you want to add some meatballs, add some vegetables.
And I get a little bit of the cheese flavor coming through. That's delicious.
I like to call that one a friendly heat. So it doesn't get you too much, but it's got a nice little kick.
Schnucks shoppers, you have got to try these sauces. Why not make tonight a Chef Mel pasta sauce night? Chef Mel, thank you so much for joining me today.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. Watch for my next installment of I'll Try It For You. And as always, thank you for shopping at Schnucks.